the elusive rain of the arid desert. We begin our search in a bleak and dreary landscape, as hot as the fires of hell. The barren wasteland known as Carlsbad, New Mexico. At first, things don't look promising, but the overcast sky teases us with hope of the elusive rain. The roadrunners standing nearby are man-made, far different than the roadrunners made by nature. We arrive on location to find an old windmill. It turns slowly, as if the world has passed it by. The life gone from even its rust and splinters. Suddenly, it begins to spin faster. The wind breathes life into the machine once again. At last, it rains. Our focus slowly fades from the background to the foreground. The airborne water forms a small waterfall and stream. This is what it might look like from the point of view of a small raft. We turn our attention to the sky in hopes of capturing a flash of electrostatic discharge. After several hours, fantastic. This has been the elusive rain of the arid desert. I'm your host.